All right, for the last one that we're going to do here of this little set, we're going to do one called sweep. And to do that, we're going to open up, same place, we've got a sweep example here. And what this is going to do is it's going to take a 2D object and it's going to sweep it along a path and make that 3D. So it's kind of like, remember that loft where we chose a path, except we were taking two objects and kind of morphing them together. Now we're just taking one object and we're going to sweep it along a certain path. So I'm going to do the sweep command. I'll select this guy right here, press enter. This is the path. And so I've got that. I had a student who did this as an example. He was just playing around with it, and it was a pretty cool one. So we're going to do sweep. I'm going to select this is what I want to sweep. This is the path. Check it out. I've got some really easy stairs drawn there. The last one is this guy right here. He's kind of hard to see. You have to zoom way, way into him, but he's in there. And what this is going to do is we're going to draw an actual threaded bolt. So I'm going to come, first of all, what I'll do is draw a cylinder real quick. I'm going to start at that center down here, snap it to here, and then I'll just draw a bolt up this some distance. So I've got a cylinder in here. I'm going to do the sweep command. I'm going to select this guy, enter. The path is this helix right here. Takes it a little while. And it did it. So I just took my shape, it followed along that helix, and so now we know that we can subtract from this, enter. And now I've got a continuous thread coming through here. So that is the sweep command. By the way, if you've never drawn a helix before, if you go to the draw menu, this right here is a helix. And you can draw a helix in 2D that just looks like this. You know, it's just like a little spiral. You guys know I love swirls, I think. But if you're in 3D, you can make that helix come up along that z-axis. And that's just kind of a crazy looking spring, but if you wanted to, you could come in here and do that helix. How I did mine is I did a specify start point, whatever your diameter is, or radius of 2, let's say. The new one is going to have a radius of 2 as well. And then I have this option, how many turns I want it to have. So you remember, I think you guys saw this on your 1405 Toast Out project, where it said 13 UNC, and that was 13 threads per inch, unified national course. So if I wanted to say 13 threads per inch, I could type in 13 turns and then pull this up 1 inch. That's 13 threads per inch. So, but you can make it, you know, obviously whatever size you want it to be. But that's the helix command. It's totally not a part of the sweep or sweep command, but since I had a helix in there, I figured I'd show you how to do it. So I want you guys to do that, and